Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Right. So Shani is it's a little bit different and things. So that was one big brouhaha. Now we hear about one other woman I know where CMR been a bun, him wife with. Now, if you don't notice over the years me do my thing, we talk about Mixup and them something and we learn from Mixup and we laugh from Mixup and thing, but the methodology has been that I put out a topic and then people call and tell me about the things them, right? Again, so the way me usually do my thing, I put out a topic, then people will call and share some little thing about them business and thing, or share something about somebody who them know about, or a relative, or police, or the pastor, but people call in and then we share some about something. Close attention would reveal that it is not customary on my part for jump on everything where somebody else I go through and thing like that or whatever. I don't really mind think that. And it's a reason why I generally don't do that. Right? I am. God, my thing is not for attack people or for berate people or draw them down or what. My thing is the mix up. Is there something there we can laugh about? Is there something there we can learn from it? Is there something there that is troubling and disturbing that we can help somebody with, from the mix up? So over the years, most of these things were coming in and whatever, but most of them things they were going out there. Me not really get involved in them, And I'm not telling no secret. Anybody who listen to me from 19 or long, I know say I true me at them, right? So me will touch pan, look, so now you are going with so and so, now you are going with Rihanna, you are going with, but particularly with Jamaicans and thing, when something bust with something, me not pick on people and jump in a people business and take side and all them things, and I really mind thing that. But why may I bring up this thing right here now and an interesting thing raised, right? Because this other bonner woman here will come in and thing now. She make look at argument and thing will trigger have some discussion between myself and some others. Because, so here at present, you have the couple, and then the man are born, it reveals that the man are born the wife with somebody named Shani. But now another young lady come out and say 2 years now she and the man involved. And she never know said there was another born woman. And she upset. She upset said there was another born woman. But she knew about the wife, because, she said she hold her corner because, boom, bang, 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 respect due to the wife, that a respect due to Chrissy. But when she got hear about the other born woman now, she say, yo, a violation that me rule out and make people know what I'm going, right? Then president knows that the two born woman them start have conversation on social media and thing, and a big thing out there now. The two of them are talk about, and them are talk about, yo, so him they go down upon you. And Shani said, no, him never go down upon me. And then the 2-year born woman say, yeah, but him go down upon me. You understand and whatever, Ray. I never chat about him. Now, people, first, our sympathies to Chrissy, because I don't know how she deal with this, because yet another, this whole public thing. Can I be honest, burning guan and thing and whatever, but some people exercise the appropriate discretion. Some people govern them thing in a way where all if evil little wrinkles come about, you're in a big brouhaha about it, and all these things are rare. But here we have this huge spectacle on social media right now, and Chrissy, the wife, she, has to be dealing with it, and people are beat her now and call her yammed and all these things and whatever, and all them something there. So it rough and she. But when I say separate from that, some discussion where we have and thing is the whole thing where if a woman knows she's a born woman, does she have a, and she accept her born woman status? Right? She had a woman on the side. And even if a man in that position there, and him knows him had a man on the side. And him accept him man on the side status. Prezi, a side man or a side woman have a right for upset if them find out about another side man. Prezi, yes or no? Yes or no? And that was a debate. Well, you know, this whole thing about who come first and who, well, and that's something I work. And people, but who come first? But who come first and who come second and thing and whatever. I mean, but anyway, so it looked like said this second born woman, you know, who's somewhat on the young side. Nothing illegal here, but apparently over the last, she started when she was 18 and now she had 20. So she young in her game, right? And, you know, that not really, nothing illegal there. No. She was 18 and 20, but, you know, a lot of women, a lot of people who talk about this thing, them things say, boy, she still, you know, upon the young, impressionable side and that CMR. To be honest with you, I not get involved in that part. So the part where we're there right now, because me and somebody did a debate it, well, you know, people are debate it and thing. Does a side woman, a woman who knows she dey on the side, a side man, a man who knows him dey on the side, do they have a right to be upset if them find out about another side woman or another side man? Or is it the case that once you're a side man, by definition, or a side woman, then you should accept that this person is somebody who keeps side people. So it would be intelligent on your part then to us not be surprised if there is another side person. Whether or not that side person was before you or after you. Is it that a side person, by virtue of being the side person, supposed to know so there could be other side persons there because that is how this person govern them thing. I saw them rule. Right? And don't get in a self-righteous thing or say, yo. So, but here's the thing. How you define that now? Can a side woman say that the people and man where she take cheat on her with another side woman? Yo, can a side man say the people and woman who him a take cheat on him with another side man? Is it possible for a side person get born? Is it possible for a side person be cheated on or not the car and go so? Prezi, what you say? Is it possible for a side person get cheated on? No? No, just for a side person you can't get cheated on. Prezi said no. Is it possible for a side man get cheated on by the person, by the people and wife who him a take? Is that possible? More than I could call in and answer that or help me answer that because therein lies the real issue right now as we are debate and look at the, you know, look at thing outside of the mix up them and all these things and whatever, right? 876-676-4996. 876-676-499. Bring in a caller, President. Bring in a caller. Is it possible for a side person get cheated on? Hello?
Rag,
Wagwan.
you know what I said today or yesterday, one of them day, I said, you know, so when you call your car, I want you to try that case and I see him topic it up on you know.
For real?
Me want, me question me ask is, why a woman will live with her man
Yeah.
and say you're a side chick? But say you Raga a side chick or me a side chick.
No, hold on. No, hold on. No. Fix up that now. You see, you make crazy a laugh off of me.
Side man.
Yeah, side man. You can't, don't call me side chick.
All right.
And I call, they say, you know, more time you're going to lose your mouth to sleep in the dog. Yeah, I'm going to bombard. You remind the man, I say, yo, Raga, if you Raga a side chick and me a side chick, so the two of you are side chick, so the two of you are side, well, you have to make that plural. So if me a side chick and you a side chick, we are side chicken then. The two of you are side chicken, no, eh?
Rag. Hold on. So if a girl takes you and say, what, me side chick, what you say?
Nah, man. Right away, me ain't no dealings with her, man. You can't call her side chick.
You can't say that.
No, you can't call me side chick. What you mean can't say? So, well, if a woman call you side chick, you work with that?
No, man, that's no problem. That's words that, man.
No. Words have... Listen, what the rest of them say at Jamaica, words sound power, right? You see, if you ever call me side chick, it means say, you look for me certain way. And if you look for me certain way, certain disrespect will come from you. With that, you understand?
No, when you say side chick, that don't mean say she has chick.
No, hear what me I say. I don't care. Hear what me I say. You can be at the side chick where you want to be, here. Me and a side chick, I'm not nobody call me side chick. No woman can come style me and call me side chick.
All right.
You understand?
All right,
you can imagine me and I jump up in her belly and I put it down and she say, set it up my side chick. Set it up my side chick. I think I'm whatever. You must have rotting mad. No, not in my cabinet. Okay.
All right.
Anyway, so what you say? Yeah.
All right, man. Yeah. You and me, can me say me have to call you up on this because this is a psychological problem.
Yeah.
Why you was a side man?
Yeah.
The question where she asked you are some question where a main chick should have asked you, but she live with her man.
What you mean?
I girl live with her man and me and her talk. And she say, you know something need to talk to you?
Yeah.
I mean I say, yeah. But she the talk where she bring.
Yeah.
It's like she live by herself.
Give me an example.
So me I said,
Give me an example.
so me I said to her, well, I want to upgrade the status, you know.
Yeah.
And I said, no, I don't want to upgrade. Me aside.
Oh.
Me stay outside. And she said, no, I want to upgrade you to me. And I say, oh, if you upgrade me, you live with somebody.
Yeah.
Me don't want to upgrade. Me comfortable being aside.
Well,
because you know.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
No, I'm just saying that these issues have come up out there in relationship with side man and side woman. It's like, oh, you have, and increasingly so in these times now, the side man and the side woman, they are, the one them who accept them role, they are having problem with the woman and the man, the main woman, the husband, the wife, or whatever, want to set too much boundaries upon them. And the side man and the side woman, them have, them increasingly I say, no, by virtue of them accepting them side position and thing, you never go too far with the demands and the boundaries where you laid upon them, but where them can go and where them for wear, who them can talk to, how them for dance a party and all them something there, whatever. The side man and the side woman, them must say, no, as long as, so when you're there around me, you get where you there with me for, I'm sure you that respect them when you're there around me. Outside of that, if you allow me, But there's a range there because you have side man and side woman now, Oh, the argument is where you hear me always I bring up for a long time. I bring this up from Tifas and come out and big up the mate to them, say. When me and you are grow up and we are picnic, a woman call a woman matey and thing, war all acid and all, knife and all them. So you understand? And that in the modern time, Not only you call a woman matey like a compliment and whatever, this and that, the talk is, not for them, at the side man and the side woman I get the better treatment and to the point now where you have these configurations out there where them say, nah man, the real love there with the side man and the side woman. And that's what the real love there. You hear them talk there, You understand? So you have that, I confuse the other side, which is, no, the side man and the side woman, they're just supplements. They're my help out.
Because you're the next confusing thing,
Yeah.
Live with our man, but say you look wild. I like you, but you look wild. Like you have holy power. He say, you know that. They can't see it from you. And I say, you live with a man. So if me have something out there, or have something, another thing out there, how that I feel? Me feel like you complicate the thing. It's like they totally. When they're talking,
let me ask you a question. Let me ask you. I see what you're saying. But let me ask you a question. If a woman have a man or her husband and then she decides she go screech you and do a little thing with you, you don't think it is reasonable on her part to say, yeah, I'm going to do a little thing with you, but I don't really want to do a little thing with a man who run up and down out there with 10 bag of woman. Right? So, if you want to go on out there with 10 bag of woman, I'm not going to stop you. I just want you to know that even though I'm going to do something with you upon the side, me can't deal with that. So I just need to know. Right? I think you don't think that is reasonable.
Yeah,
I think that is reasonable.
Yeah, man. Because guess what, Rob? To show you what we really are saying. Yesterday I work, I want to be co-worker, I say, you think side chick to get things? I'm say, yeah, man.
But of course, side chick, why them should get things? Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah, no. You hear what the conversation was about. He said, there's a limit. She said, what you mean? He said, here one. He said, me have a side chick. We will call a side chick and say, oh, you stay. And she said, me low and I say, all right, hold this. But me not go pay no rent for no side chick, and no car payment.
Why you want to do that? I'm not saying you should. I'm just saying why you want to do that.
So let me finish. Me not have them type of food there.
Oh, okay.
But you me say no. If one dirty too, me can say dirty.
Yeah, man.
If one dirty 200, I want frozen 300 per run per side. Me I don't give around frozen 300 and say all that car. So we say I say so one dirty 150. Yeah. And so you go. Aside.
Oh, people, this gentleman is calling from New York. So I know Jamaican money matter. But so yeah, say like if if a dirty 100 or a dirty 150, a dirty 200, a dirty 300, I want 400. US, right? But why you put those adjectives before the money as if like
I get that.
Okay. No, me just want to know if the side chick money them, based on the adjectives you use, if I, frowned 300, a dirty 200, like, you're a side chick, you don't get a good $300, you don't get a good $200, you're a side chick, you get a dirty 200 or a dirty, or a frowned 300, yeah.
But wrong, say me not treat side chick. Like, some man that say a side chick and treat, but me not deal with, even if she's a side chick,
yeah.
Me deal with a good period. We just deal with a woman, good period, once men are attacked. The thing what me not like, me don't know if you have that problem there. It's when a woman beg me, it's like me get angry. Especially like side chick. I think the side chick say.
What you think? That is unattractive?
Yeah, me not like it, because guess what happened? If I me your initial link up and we know say you talk, and me don't know say if I run the you see me run a frozen 200 pound and me run a dirty 150 now and then, and me keep up with thing and say, go and go to your hair and good nanny girl to get money. Me say nanny me have to call out the thing I read.
Right.
To get money. So me say hold on, look at 2 bills there or whatever. So me keep this, and I say me keep the stream flowing, but me adjust to your thing and whatever.
Right. So you said I'm not supposed to ask how you send on, right?
You see, the woman, ask man we are send on and it's a turn off the man.
No, but let me ask you something though.
Yeah, go on.
No, what I'm saying, if a woman is on the side, right, And she know you, right? She there on the side, and she know you have your woman and whatever and all them thing there, right? So on a certain level, then she would have assumed that, you know, in general, that she's of a lower priority than your woman or your wife, right? Does that follow? Right. Well, right. So what I'm saying is, what if that woman I say, well, if me I go in this with you, you know, it must be worth it, right? So me know say me know what you want from me. I'm gonna make sure you get what you want from me. I'm gonna get it good. You tell me, you know, if a side chick a juggle with you, and she accept her side role, and she show respect to your wife or your woman or whatever, and she juggle with you and thing. With all due respect, sir, you think say a 150 or a 200 and them something like that you think that is even respectful if that is the arrangement, right? If it's a money thing, if that the money element, you believe say a 150 or a 200, yeah, say, well, a 150, you say, well, a 150 you're going to do your hair. Do you know that most of the hairstyle them nowadays and thing or whatever, them way more expensive than 150 or 200. Did you know that? So then it don't make sense and that the side chick go ask if you have money then because a monkey money and worse if she give you it good, whatever. Well, I'm pretty sure we have to take a break because you know say you're out there. You don't treat side chick good and I go on like say you treat them good, but you give her 150 and 200. 150 and 200 and you talk about, well, I don't ask you nothing. Don't beg nothing else. Well, a 150. No wonder you call it dirty 150 and frownsy 150.
My money a monkey money, so your money a what? Pretty money?
No, but when me I say it, then I better you did go buy Listen to me, I better you did go buy $150 front, careless front, and thing.
My money become monkey money.
Me say, I bet 150 a monkey money I dealing with a side woman and thing who treat you good. And think, no, sir. Listen to me, me and a side chick, me a man. I'm a vex to the side chick that you come boy, you get the woman then 150 and $200, and then I put it, but don't beg, you know. I don't want to hear no more begging from you, you know. Well, a 150 and thing or whatever. You can't have woman a wine off your John and I give it to you good and I check in for you and I take care of you certain way on a side woman and you're going to give her 150. That barely can do all a money and a penny together and all these things. You're wicked. What? Stay up on the phone. Stay up on the phone. Press it, take a break. Don't move. We'll take a break. What a wicked money. We'll soon forward.
The Bridge 99 FM. Caribbean vibes amplified.
Oh, come, you and me, let's break free from these mental chains.
Yes, every Thursday, come, let's untangle.
Free up the fear because I know fear around the place. I know we want to untangle the fear, untangle all kind of negative activity.
With your mid-morning radio queen, Mama Elise Kelly, every Thursday at 10 a.m.
So here what we want you to do now. We want to know for show up as we are.
That's Untangle with Elise Kelly on the Bridge 99 FM.
If you're in business, get on the bridge. 876-669-5000. If you're in business, get on the bridge. 876-669-5000. If you're in business, get on the bridge. 876-669-5000. Call now.
Rights we should all know.
Know your rights. Protect and preserve your rights. Protect and preserve your children's rights, your family's rights, and the rights of others. Do not break the law. Doing so is to compromise and possibly give away some of your rights.
With every right, there is a responsibility.
Brought to you by the Office of the Public Defender.
Caribbean Airlines presents Reggae Sunfest 2023, July 16 to 22, Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's the biggest and baddest reggae and dancehall festival in the world. The week kicks off with a family fun day and community fest on Sunday, July 16. Then the massive free street dance on Monday, July 17. There's the all-white party on Tuesday, July 18. Then the Blitz all-black party on Wednesday, July 19. On Thursday, July 20, it's the exciting Global Sound Clash at Pier 1 Car Park. The week culminates with 2 huge festival nights on Friday, July 21 and Saturday, July 22 at the expanded Catherine Hall Entertainment Center. It's Reggae Sumfest 2023, celebrating 30 years. Sponsored by H&L Rapid True Value Flow, Iberia Star, JTV Secrets, Red Stripe, Grace, Magnum, TVJ, and H&L Agro.
Bridge 99 FM.
Hey yo, check this out. This is DJ Khaled. Big up and bless up Bridge 99 FM worldwide. You know it's DJ Khaled. You know I'll be logged on. I'll be tuned in. They play all the big tunes. They ain't believing us. Bridge 99 FM did. Bless up. Another one.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Yes, people. Well, on check. Okay, yeah, man. We're on this thing, and for those of you who follow the Jamaican and bloggers, them and thing on social media, who know about the big drama we are going with the Carter family and thing, and Chrissy and Cushing, aka CMR, and Shani, and then this new Bonner woman who come out of the mix and thing and whatever, and there's a lot going on there, that I'm not getting involved with. But this new Bonner woman, she not new, she come out and say she's been there for 2 years now, and the reason why she come out is that she upset, say Cushion have a next Bonner woman, CMR have a next Bonner woman, and you know, that time I triggered some discussion between myself and some friends and colleagues and so forth. And the whole debate is, does a side person have a right to even upset if the person who them a side person would have another side person and them find out and whatever? You know, that, what are the pros and cons associated with that? And in doing so, we're talking to a caller right here. We're going to continue this discussion. But this man, you know, I don't know. This man, I sound like him at disrespect the side woman them and whatever, you know, and you know, he might make it look like if him give her $150, $200 and whatever, she not supposed to ask for no more money. She feel cool with that. So we're going to give him an opportunity to apologize profusely, and to tell you now that he was an awful, disgusting person for not only saying that, but actually it would suggest that he has been doing it. So, caller, I want you to take the opportunity now to apologize to the world for the disrespect, man, the wanton disrespect you have been meting out to these honorable and most noble side women. Proceed, caller. Proceed.
All right. You know, you have some side woman where take your money and go floss with the main chick, with the main man. So here we go.
Well, that is a separate matter. What may I say is, this 150, 200, you know, things say, what you just talk about, you give side chick a 150 or me now say you're obligated to give more, you know. If I that you have. But what I'm saying, for you, if you say, if I give a 150 or a 200, I don't want you ask you no more and thing, that unattractive and thing, and you're careless.
It's true, you have the UA money, the UA money sit on for the trunk money there.
What you are talking about?
Me know my limit. You must have a man must know his limit.
Yo, here we are going. Prezi have more money than me. That me I tell you, yeah? Prezi said no.
It's 500.
What?
You know, say a sidekick can get 500 though. But if you have an emergency like somebody sick or somebody did that for me, we understand that. But me, as a single man per se, me not get a side chick no more than have a limit. Me not pass.
No, hold on. What you just saying don't make no sense.
Hold on.
Oh, you have be a single man with a side chick.
No, me are the side man, you know. Me are the side man.
No, we are talking about you. We say you give side chick 150 or 200. Yeah, you know, say you're all over the place.
Yeah, man, me know, sir. Brother, what me I say is,
yeah.
Me are the side man, you know. Me are the side.
But we're not talking about that. We're talking about the money where you give side chick, where you say a 150 or a 200, and she not for beg no more money. So if you switch to something else, that's fine.
Hold on.
Huh?
Me never say that she not for beg no more money. That me I say, you know. Me I say me have a limitation.
Right.
But me know, say, me now go over now 400 or 500 with a woman with have her man. You see if she's single, me know say
Well, okay, we're talking about something different then, right?
Because I say me now, once she have a man, and me at the side man,
All right, so we're talking about something different. Now, what you're saying now, you're not giving no woman, if you are the side man, you not give the woman who have her man too much money because she's supposed to get that from her man.
Yeah.
Right?
No, yeah. She will get things,
Right.
She will get things.
Right.
And she will get good things, too.
Right.
She will get lower things because of this. No, let me say.
Right.
But what me I say is, me have a limitation. But
All right, let me ask you something, though. If you are a side man, what you think would be the main thing where a woman who have her man or her husband I go screech and do so. What is the main thing of value you can give her where she ever say it's worth it for involve you? What is the main thing?
Well, what's the main thing me have?
Yeah. What will make a woman say, no, you have what she want, that's something there, whatever that thing is. So she go burn her man or burn her husband with you because you have that thing of value. What is that thing?
I have a good understanding, and I'm easily talked to, and I can hold a conversation.
Oh.
I'm in a mean.
Oh, you have a good understanding, you're easy to talk to, you can hold a conversation. Yeah. So you're good company then. You're good company. You're good company.
Yeah, and we can play my role. That means
play a role.
If you give me a one play, yeah. You know, come blow up your phone now.
All right.
Because you have some man to do this, I'm not like it.
Okay.
So we're bridging them do it. That's not a good thing. The woman give her one player.
Well, so you are saying now, based upon that, if a woman value that and she can get that from you, high quality, versions of them, that's a good conversation person, a good company, and whatever you play a role, you stay in your lane. So you are saying if a woman get that from you, then you shouldn't be under any obligation for a give her no significant amount of money.
They have a limit.
And what is the limit? What is the limit?
Well, you don't call me money monkey. You don't call me money a monkey money. So I don't know what you call.
No. It's irrelevant what I call you. If you have a limit, you have a limit. Raga have nothing to do with your limit. What is your limit?
You see, a 4 or 5 me there, I mean, I go less than a bills. 4 or 5 me there.
What do you mean? 4 or 5 what?
4 or 500.
Oh, a 400 or a 500. And again, people in Jamaica, he's in New York. So, and when you say a 4 and a 500, that like what type of interval is we're looking at? Like, what, 4 and a 500 weekly or monthly? Or bi-weekly?
What kind of bridging? Where you going? Raga, you don't say look like you where you going with that night?
No, I am asking you with somebody like you have to ask because you will get a woman 400 or 500 and then 2 months pass and she not get a dime more. And you say, but I never give 400 or 500 in a January. What more you want? Right? So I'm asking you, like, on average, what kind of interval you that give her, 400 or 500, reasonably. For you, what you can afford.
Yeah, ask me, you set up,
No, but may I ask you, like, how often would you give her a 400 or 500? Is a reasonable question for ask.
Oh, after.
Yeah.
You know, with your after.
Just.
Bridget.
No.
No man can.
Just answer the question. On average, me not say if it be exact. Me I say how often you that give your side woman a $400 or a $500, which is a good, a nice little change, given the arrangement. Yeah. Like how often? Well, on average.
It depends on the if it's an emergency. And
No, that is why I'm saying on average. Of course, it depends. All kind of something can. I'm saying on average about how often on average, just an estimate. Yeah.
On the average, the side as a side man, she can get her 2 bills every 2 weeks.
A 2 bills every 2 weeks, so she can get $100. Yeah. So your side man will get $100 a week, right?
Yeah, you will break it down in that.
No, but that is what she going to do. So hold on. So here's my question to you. Hold on, man. So if you are your side woman $100 a week, right? No, you would have feel in the way if she have another man who will give her some money too.
Yeah, you know. You know.
Answer the question, no, man.
Well, I know me come for the question, Virgin.
No, but me don't want you go and come here to take some other call, man. I just want. So if you have a woman who you are juggling with on the side, and she, send her and all these things and whatever, and you get her $100 a week and whatever, you would have vexed if you find out, say, so she have somebody else who she are juggling with too and thing, and she not have a problem with that because he might give her money too. You that upset?
I'm not money thing, man, are depend.
No, you don't answer me, Me I say, would you feel a way if you say she juggle with her next man too? Who I give her money?
Well, me no get jealous half a side chicken.
So you only feel a way then?
No, me no program myself to see if me have the side man and me see her out the road with a man.
Yeah.
What that have to do with me?
Okay, all right.
Me could have just give her the 4 bills today or yesterday.
All right. So before we go and see if we can get our next card, so basically then, with that have nothing to do with you, balance. So let me ask you something then. So if a woman, so in the situation with the Carter family, where the woman who the young lady there who she had a side woman for 2 years, and she find out say, Cushy and CMR have another side woman and thing. So basically, so she shouldn't be upset about it and thing, because if she a side woman, she not go on away if she knows so another side woman in her picture, right? And that you basically say, right?
Raga said no if you play the game. I have respect for the game. Raga said that.
I know, but when I just want to be wait, man. So what I say is, in general, she has a side woman. She should not get upset that there's another side woman, right?
No, man, we do all of this. No, she get upset with all of them things, the Virgin. Okay. I mean, your side.
She said she was in love with him.
Raga, in a supermarket.
Yeah.
And see the woman with her husband or who her man or whatever. Where's that? We better push a cat, make it lick them. And we go and shop. We better stop and look on them. No.
Last question before me go see me get another call and thing. You think say somebody on the side should fall in love with all the obligations that come with being in love? You think say it's a good thing for somebody on the side catch feelings?
Yeah, you can catch. I mean, you're a human being. You will catch feelings. You will fall in love, but you still have to have understanding and know.
Yeah.
Me not under my own this. Me not own it. Me not go stab him now. Go stab and take nothing. Just listen to what Raga said.
Okay.
Understand the game. Know how to play the game, brother.
Yeah.
If me and my wife, and me catch her and give me bun, you think me wouldn't get her a chance?
You don't give her a chance.
Yeah, man. All right. So me look at it. So me have a house with her, 2 kids.
Yeah.
And a house. And me have this and this and whatever. And me go weigh the scale. Me look on one bun.
Hold on. All right. Let me ask you a question. I want you to be honest with me. So you say you don't give her a chance, right? What if the person who you find, say your wife, a bun you with? Remember, a woman called my show one time, and she said, she knew her man a bun her a long time and it wasn't a problem. But then when she find out, say, her man a bun her with one boardhouse girl, she said she did have to leave in. And I said, what you mean? She said, the 2 of we fight hard and we build a nice concrete house and thing, and you bun me with boardhouse girl. They should have bun me with that woman either upon my level or above my level. You understand, right? So may I ask you this, whether your phone. May I ask you this now? If you find out say your woman a bun you with L.A. Lewis, you that good same way with her?
Let me repeat. If I catch my wife and give me bun.
Yeah, with L.A. Lewis. Because you love, and sometimes I ask you a question and you want to carry me go somewhere else, So
because sometimes the question where you ask.
Well, man, then me I run the show, man, and you are run the show, and me I run the show. So me I ask you a question is either yes or no. Would you forgive your wife if you catch your wife and think I start out with L.A. Lewis or Edders?
I don't like to question them because I tell you already if me catch her, no, you ask me if me catch her with this man, if me catch her with a woman, how me that.
Then if you catch her, then you must catch her with somebody. But the point me I make you say, you make this general statement, but when it come down to certain things, You probably couldn't manage it. So me ask you again, if you catch your wife a bun you with L.A. Lewis and I give L.A. Lewis a headers. L.A. Lewis, you that still forgive her and stay with her?
Oh, but you just are going to, I mean, you just are going to go tap it for me, I'm going to go tap with you.
No, whatever you want to call it. When me ask you, see if you can answer a question, yes or no?
If me catch my wife with L.A. Lewis?
Yeah.
So why you never say me catch my wife with
No, cool, like you see you keep on a cause be a problem, man. Yeah. Just answer the question, man.
Why you never say Prezi? Why you never say Prezi?
No, just cool, man. Just cool, man. Me I say answer the question. Would you, yes or no? You don't forgive her?
Why you never say Prezi?
Listen, man, you try to run my show and me I run the show, man. Just cool, man. When me I say, if you catch, the simple question, if you catch your wife about you with L.A. Lewis and thing, I give L.A. Lewis a headers, would you forgive her and keep her, or would you say, no, that's a deal breaker, done? Which one?
Well, there is deal breaker, I know, but me don't know about the L.A. Lewis.
But you don't know about L.A. Lewis, though. You don't think you could, all right, me I go tell you, me couldn't manage that. I done right there, so.
All right, make sure so.
No, we're going to try to take some other call. Here.
You could manage because of L.A. Lewis or does the board?
Because of L.A. Lewis, because you are just, so me, I agree with you, you know. I would, you know, I can't get born and forgive.
If you agree with me, why you never leave it there so I make the show run? Why
no, but you see, you still tell me what to do, man, and you can't do, you spoil up my show, man. You know why you give me no directions? That me, I run my show, man.
Okay, I spoil up my show, man.
Yeah, you spoil up my show, man. You spoil up.
No, man, give thanks, man.
Yeah, all right then, cool. In Toban, yo, Prezi. If you are a woman and the woman about you with L.A. Lewis, what President said, no forgiveness there, sir. No, sir. Me don't no argument, you know. He may have come see that and whatever. I say, well, you do what you have to do, and it look like we make a big mistake in my judgment. Yo, anyway, L.A. Lewis here, this is a beer don't means to me, you know, man. You understand? When me just say, sometimes some people talk up something and them just generalize and they make it look simple. But there's a cliche. The devil is in the details. The devil is in the details, right? And them have a thing where say, every case turned upon its particular set of facts, right? So you can have a set of facts, you can have some dynamics that will make a thing look away. So you can have a general approach to the thing, say, yeah, you know, I wouldn't be opposed to forgiving somebody who I'm with, you know, who cheated on me, and, you know, we have a discussion about it, and we see what we can work out and move forward. There's nothing wrong with that. But, you know, I guarantee you know, the details of each situation will matter. Because once you start get down to the details and thing, it can get real tricky. You know, a woman there now, and she goes so boom. And she burn me, and you say, you burn me? And she say, yeah, me I burn you. And you da burn me? Yeah, me I burn you. Who you did that burn me with? Barack Obama. Oh, for real? Like, the Barack Obama? Yes! Like, President Barack Obama? Yes! Him you did that burn me with? Yes! You did a dash out with Barack Obama? Yes! You love me? Yes! You gonna start the Barack? Yes, we're gonna start the Barack because you me love Raga, you me love, you know. Barack did come to me and then I give a couple lyrics and him in my ears well and him there on, yes we can, yes we can, yes we can. And before you know it, me there think say, yes I could, and as someone just gonna take him wood and think, but are you me love? I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do it again. No. I'm gonna say, all right, come make we work it out, yeah. Make we work it out and build back, but don't go set it up on Barack again, but we're good here. A Barack, sure. All right, then big up yourself here. Since a Barack, all right, we go and work with it and think. At least you have ambition, your Juju have ambition, every weapon you have ambition. You go dash out, give Barack. No, man, that deserve a forgiveness, man, yeah. But then now, if you dash out and you say, yes, you born me, yes. You born me, yes. You love me, yes. And you want it work out, yes. So you want me to forgive you? No. Yes, me want you to forgive me, Raga. You going to do it again? No. All right, I'm going to forgive you, I'm going to forgive you, I'm going to work. By the way, who you did born me with? Golly God. No. Go back to him, No, go back. Go back to... No. I know Golly God. You know what I did want to say? When him? No, man. Gollibop. A Gollibop, me want to say, No, the woman born with Gollibop. No, go back to Gollibop, I think, right? Yeah. And Gollibop said, every girl want to walk off of me. You go back to him. You be that girl, hunting or whatever. You not going ever again see my penis and thing. Not going to work and thing or whatever. People don't make nobody fool on them things that matter, yeah, man. Who the person born you with? Who the person born you with them things that matter? And me know say enough people, enough man who don't want to admit this and all these things and whatever, but I could do ever go there, I could do ever go there. So again, people, yeah, man, I go back, me want to say chicken back, I go back, me want to say, because say, golly God. Yeah, Muffy, big up yourself, my father, big up yourself, and you me a bad time, here. And you me a bad time, entertainment, that's how the thing set, and you me a bad time, everything is everything, see every year, yeah? I think people about make nobody telling anything, yeah, man. You can have a general approach to something, but again, when the specifics come forth, they may be such that you just can't stomach it. As we say in Jamaica, you just can't stomach it. You understand? And that is understandable too, and that is okay. You communicate accordingly, And say, me, I was not opposed to forgiving you. But the person who you're going to do it with. So, thus far, it seems, if we go by what Prezi say, if we go by where the last caller say, if you're up on the side, according to Prezi and the last caller, if you accept your position as a side man and you stay in your lane and you play a role, if you accept your position as a side woman and you stay in your lane and you play a role, you are not in a position to be upset if the person have another side man or another side woman, according to Prezi and according to the last caller. If any of you think otherwise, I urge you to call in right now and make a case. Right? 876-676-4996. Who don't have Jamaica, Prezi? Prezi, who don't have Jamaica? Tristan? All right, Tristan, make a look on my phone and see which caller come in from Jamaica, Papa. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996 from Jamaica. 876-676-4996. If you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. One more time. 888-546-8742. That's if you're calling from the United States or Canada. That's the toll-free number right there. 888-546-8742. But if you're calling from Jamaica, the local number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Can somebody on the side claim that the husband or the wife, who them a side man or a side woman too, cheat on them? Can somebody bring in the caller to Tristan proper? See, Tristan is general, you know. Bring in the caller. Hello.
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 Good night.
I tell you, yeah, I saw when President put it on pan, your voice get squeaky, you know.
And if you tell you about it, because I guess I'm not a side woman, I'm a second woman. Me no side woman, me a
Jesus
second
God.
woman.
No, hold on. Explain.
Because I'm not side chick, I'm a second woman. President him first woman, I'm the second woman.
But what's the difference between a second woman and
the side? I can't hold on side. Me can't hold on side, so me come like the picture second.
No, but what is the difference?
The difference is me not take not my side, me take second.
All right. Then if you're second, that means you're the first woman have priority over you.
Yes, you're the first woman. Come for hold my space, come for hold my corner, me just help out a situation.
Exactly. Then that side woman do.
Right?
Then that the side woman do.
So me help out. Right?
No, but if you change the name, that don't change the game. You start the same role you play.
When me not change no game and no name, me I tell you me is what? I'm a second lady.
No, but what I'm saying, you're the second lady, but you're still the lady who is second in priority to the first lady.
Yeah.
Then that is what side woman do. So there is no difference there. You are trying to give some sort of honor and nobility to a side to a second woman that you think make an argument say it's different from a side woman. You're not a side woman. You're a second woman. You're a second lady.
Second woman, that me say, me a second lady, that me say.
There is no difference there. No difference.
Right?
No difference.
So, me if you know say me hold my space, me if you know say me hold my corner.
Which is right.
And me not supposed to have no jealousy. Because guess what? Him not belongs to me. I borrow and put the rest of me up on the second road. Right? Him have him wife and me supposed to know, so me supposed to respect she.
No, but when me I say, suppose you and him they are juggler and you know say you respect the wife and thing, and you say me a second lady, you know, good. You know what you get where you get out tight, him I get where him I get out tight, boom. Boom! Then you hear say one next woman, him have a next side woman, him have a next second woman or a next third. Him have two more second woman. Me know him not gonna say third or fourth. Him have two more second woman. Right? What would your reaction be?
That has nothing to do with me, because guess what? And me going to the first lady space. And me take up myself when they call to me and answer. I'm going to the first lady space. So that don't have nothing to do with me.
But
because guess what?
Yeah, go on.
Me know him have him first wife and me come drop in second.
Yeah.
So me know say him go out there go look at third one. That's not supposed to affect me. That's supposed to affect him wife, not me.
You know, so one time one Mixup they come. You are listening a long time, you know, so you were supposed to know that Mixup, yeah. I don't know if you remember one Mixup, one woman and man take a be a Raga. You know, so me there take the woman husband and thing and whatever this and that and go find out so one next girl coming out. Me just go tell the wife, you know, me and the wife go beat the girl, you know, no third party around here. You know, remember that Mixup there?
Yeah, but me not do that because me is too much no strong so.
Oh. You're too much no strong, so figure beat our next girl with the wife or the man where you take on the side.
I'm too much strong so I tell the wife now, because she never imply me.
Exactly.
So me my too much strong so I say, wife, you know, say president of another woman, no. Me not supposed to get to go fight over president either, no, because I guess I have no place. Because I can't walk in the house.
So you don't think so when a woman up on the side and she take the people them husband? And then now she find out, say the people them husband are take a next woman with she, that you don't feel that it make any sense for she say, a cheat for me with her next side woman. That don't make sense. No, go so. No,
because she wrong at the first place, because guess what? She knows him have him wife.
Right.
So she shouldn't jump up in the midst because much to go back.
Well, me I talk to my sister about it today and she say, yeah, you know, she side woman, you know, I don't know if you know about the mix up with the Carter family we both on the internet, right? next side woman come out against the husband and thing and whatever, and I load up a thing, and I say she in the picture 2 years now, and Ray and all these things and whatever. So
she wrong.
we had discussed it, and them I say, yo, I was she talk about she have right, and she upset the man of another side woman.
No,
She, them I say, you know, she has a side woman can't upset say the man of another side woman.
Exactly, she shouldn't upset no time at all. She don't have no right, no time at all to upset. She hold her corner. And right now the man to Lego she and run the she because I guess that she too enough.
Okay.
Because she got load up now and I got dash out everything and I go say, you're in the picture too here. Nobody know you.
Yeah.
Nobody never want to know. She's not important.
What you mean she not important? She said she was in love.
She ran to go in love. The man never tell her same love because the man not let him wife she. The man not let him wife none of them.
Well, we don't know if the man never tell her same love her. We don't know that.
Raga. Me and you know say man climb a tree for woman and the man go say me love you. Me and you know say you are gonna say you love me.
That the man tell woman say love the man thing, but so basically I say you can't pay that no mind and thing. Man I go say that. Man I go say that.
Exactly. From the one the juju him find the whole 66 books in the Bible.
So well on now. Tell me something I know. Are you saying that somebody on the side, because we sometimes hear them say side people not for catch feelings. What you feel about that?
No feelings, not for that so. A lick and promise you depend. You depend the lick and run. You depend the go.
Lick and promise, no?
Yeah, you depend the go.
Well, and did you choose that word deliberately, L-I-C-K or?
Rabba, yeah, Rabba. You call it different, you must say Rabba.
No, you next thing you're going to call me Chopper.
Right?
No, so when you lick and promise and things, so they're not for catch feelings. If them on the side.
No feelings, not for that, none at all. None.
But are you aware that you have people on the side right now, but they are the ones who the person really love and them love the person and this and that.
Raga, are they mind I tell them that? Are they mind I tell them that, Raga? They mind. So anything your mind tell you, it you go work with.
No, but you don't think these people are intelligent enough to know that based on what is occurring between them being on the side and the person who them attack, that this is real love. This is real love. We're just not together officially, but this is real love. You don't think so?
No.
Okay.
No. In a real love, not that so. The real love die hard. The real $100 love that yeah, because you can't expect the man to go love you 100 and him have your wife or him baby mother and girlfriend in yard. He might go tell you something. Right? And you understand yourself that the man have him woman and he not if him woman for you and if he let him woman for you.
No. But are you aware though that there are a lot of people who are married right now and not an ounce of love exists between them?
Yeah, that is yeah. Me not say no.
Them don't necessarily hate the partner, them just not in love.
I know that.
And that them have somebody else now with whom they have that emotional connection, with whom they consider their soulmate, with whom they get spiritual satisfaction and things, even beyond sex or anything like that. You do have these people. They're married to somebody, but they have somebody else with whom they say that they're in love.
Brother, we all know that. But the bottom line is that the outer road catch on. You take what you get and move on. You're not supposed to look up front.
Oh.
Outer road, you depend catch. When me call you answer. Me don't call you, don't answer.
Well, some of the people out there on the side, they would disagree with you. They would.
That's a feed them business. Me not respond. Me tell the truth. That's a feed them kekla fish.
Okay. So,
anyway, before me go, that little man up there, so a long time me I listen to him, and you know, say me something in my head that tell me say him mean him up there and him a go look at woman juju and I go give a woman a 150 or 2 bills. I went take woman juju for.
Talk to him the film. You kind of hear me and I take him on about it.
Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Me know y'all listen. Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
Juju value, Juju have price.
Yeah.
But when you come talk about the emergency, we give you $500. You feel pain to give woman $500, but you don't feel pain to give woman 150 and 2 bills. You're there on the side, and you choose to the on the side. You choose to do your duty. You're supposed to spend all your money. If you get pay a weekend, fortnight, or month, then the woman supposed to get at least $2,000. I will take this thing for. I be a 150 woman you there with. I be a 2 bills woman you there with. A woman you there with no money. Woman you there with no can't come money, Mr. Man.
I'm out harder, though.
Yeah, you're out harder 3 times. I come to us unless I get emergency or sickness. Well, if I saw be the case, I say, look here, me asthma dead and me asthma sick. And me want money.
No, what he said and his exact words were, I'm give her a dirty 150 or a frowny 2 bills or whatever. And she not supposed to ask you anymore. I want she beg anymore. And he said that is so unbecoming and unattractive. If don't want that, she must be happy with her $200 and her 150.
Dirty man that I come to about saying give woman dirty 150 or dirty. You Mr. Man, you're a dirty man. Mr. Dirty man, and that's why you're there on the side. You can't go in front. You have to stay on the sideline, Mr. Dirty man, because your money dirty like you.
Well, on somebody on Facebook a post and listen and she said, she will stop it because she will take anything to finish up the house where one block. Are you sure refer to?
Raga.
Well on. Are you she stop with? Are you? Well on there. Are you she stop with? Are you she stop with? What? What? Are you? What is this about black? What you talking about with black?
Remember, tell me, tell us them 130,000 to buy black and whatever. Raga tell us, say,
right.
Me not lie down first and get up last.
When you say you not lie down first and get talk to her if you make her look like she abandoned you. Are you she stop with? Talk to her.
Me clearly pass Facebook, me not lie down first and get up last. So if the man that find one wants and the 150 come give me a surely take it. Because me not lie down for it. I said him, come give me a daughter order, Miss Lady. Me supposed to take the dirty 150 and the dirty 200 from him. Me not know him and him not know me. Tell him, come give Raga, make Raga Sunny, come give me.
You know, so me forget everything about that, the black something that I read it and I said that. Yeah.
Me not lie them first and get up last.
No, well on, let me read it again. She said, she will stop it. Cause she would take anything, and she write anything in her caps to finish up the house where one block. Liberty.
Check it, Miss Lady, come lie them first and get up last.
Okay.
So if I go send the money, come surely take it. Me not go send no, me not go take it. But me not lie down feet.
Okay.
I don't lie down feet. I volunteer and send it, come give me.
But she seemed to be suggesting that you'd lie down for the 150 and the 2 bills to go buy the block. She's suggesting that you'd lie down for the 150 and the 2 bills for go buy the block, for go buy 2 block or whatever, for go and work on the little outside kitchen. What?
Raga.
What?
That was she suggest me not lie down for it.
That's how much.
Me not lie down first and get up last.
Nah, lie down first and get up last. What you really mean by that? What you really mean by that?
Because after me lie down and the man get up, and when me get up, no, me not get nothing.
You know. Oh.
So me have to call it first and then me lie down.
Oh.
Me not lie down and get up last. You mad? Miss Lady, let me tell you this. Me tell the man them have to give me today and tomorrow them get the jojo.
Okay.
Me have to call it the money today and count it and put it down. And tomorrow me send on the jojo upon them.
Right.
And me no beg my friend them $1,000. Cause total I can't buy not my Jamaica. Me beg high. She outsider. She brighty. Bright.
A bantan you about the black them and them thing there.
Yeah.
But hold on, a long time you mentioned that you know that about like I go like 2 years you know and thing and she remember them something.
Yeah. She supposed to have all right remember.
Yeah.
All right remember. Because it's sure you said me not go lie down first and get up last. But the workless man will come to about emergency, I give woman 5 bills or 4 bills. I'm workless. I'm dirty. You know, so I'm still out a nice leisure for me to get up and stand up on my foot.
Well on, let me tell you, me don't want you think I lie, me I tell. You can't check it, the internet.
I want to go there, you're not telling no lie.
No, honestly. All right, so let me tell you what else she write. She write, oh please, you don't have game like that, miss. So Prezi, how them a beat your woman that you don't even defend her or nothing. And whatever, you over there spread out. She said you don't have game like that.
Tell her she don't know about me. I have nice game.
Okay.
I have nice game. Come in, to play nice game.
See it there.
Me not to play nice game, Miss Lady. Talk for yourself. Don't speak for me, Miss Lady. I want to hear what you hear about me. I want to defend the man. So that means you the man with the 150 and the 2 bills. The dirty 150.
No, she not. Hold on. No. Be fair. No, she not defend the man. You know. She just I say you would have take it.
Of course, I'm going to take it if you can't give me, but me not lie down for it.
Okay.
Me not kneel down for it.
Nah, kneel down or lie down feet.
I'm not lie down for it. I'm not stand up feet neither.
Tell me something. Nowadays, what have more value? When they kneel down or when they lie down?
When you kneel down, it have more value because you have to go up on your knee and a DJ.
Okay, that have more value and thing.
That have more value.
You know, so with white women up here and thing or whatever, is the opposite. Yeah, man, for them up here, lie down have more value than kneel down, you know?
No, don't you talk?
Yeah.
When I go up on your knee and a DJ, it have more value.
Have more value.
More value.
Yeah, higher ratings that forget a woman to go up on her knee and DJ and get headers and things that have more value than for lie down. Okay, that is interesting. That is interesting.
And me, tell Miss Lady, don't pass your place with me, Miss Lady. Don't start for me.
Yeah.
Because I'm not DJ feet, I'm not lie down feet, I'm not stand up for it.
How was she here about?
I don't know what she here about.
Yeah.
I want my ticket. I want my ticket, you want? You not get my ticket.
Well, you say she can't get your ticket now. Bye.
Miss Lady. I'm support to 130,000 to buy block and steel and cement, Miss Lady.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to.
Yeah.
Because I'm supposed to finish up my nice little tabernacle. That's why President come.
Yeah.
We can go down a river, go swim and come back and lie down, Miss Lady.
Yeah. When President come, him can come. Good and comfortable now.
Yeah.
In the tabernacle now. How was she here about?
I don't know what she here about.
How was she here about? A style she want come style, you know?
Yeah, you can't style me. You can't style me, not dear. Don't try it.
Yo, me can't tell her because she's a good sport. She named Nakita. She never know her. She named Nakita. She a bantan you here.
And the all fall there. Raga, the all fall there.
Hold on. What you know about Nakita? All fall.
And the all fall there.
No.
Miss Nakita all fall no bother with me tonight.
So wait. How you come and style the woman as all fall?
Nakita no bother with me tonight.
What you call her Nakita? What you call her all fall for? What you know about her?
Because you always, I say she always post up things that always, that you ever call up your name. You ever call up your name.
Him always call, yeah, I call her name, but how that reaches she all fall?
Yeah, because me know she come think she can scratch me.
Okay.
She can't scratch me.
What you mean, like when fall a scratch out this and that out of ground, no?
Yeah. Me still nice if I want to look a piece of black. Me still outside nicely attack to you.
Yeah, power and black, no.
Yeah, she made me get up.
Yeah.
Prezi, baby. You know if you treat woman good, Prezi. And you know if you give woman money, Prezi. Because guess what? Me not take chicken feed the money. And me not take school feed the money. And big people money me take. And me a junior citizen.
See, yeah what?
Me a junior citizen. So me not take young people money. And big people money me take.
You're a junior citizen?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Me not catch 50 yet. When me catch 50, me a senior citizen.
Oh. Yeah, the one hot spicy full of chat, you know.
So me a junior citizen. Me not take school pitney money.
Yeah, junior citizen. That means that you're still fresh and nice and healthy and strong and sure.
Of course.
High value. After you're not senior citizen, you're a junior citizen. Yeah.
Me a junior citizen.
Yeah.
Me blend up my carrot and them thing that I drink. Me not drink syrup. Me not drink Kool-Aid and me not drink tang.
You not drink what? You know what? Why you not drink what?
Me not drink Kool-Aid, me not drink syrup, and me not drink tank, and none of them not give me no strength in my body.
No, so what you say? She sound like one little Kool-Aid cat, you know?
Yeah, I be a Kool-Aid them drink and tang.
Yeah.
Me not drink them something there.
Oh, Nakita, I be a Kool-Aid she drink, no?
Yeah, and syrup.
And
me
syrup,
yeah. Yeah, me not drink them something there, darling.
Yeah, can't come chat.
Mango in a season and apple in a season, me can't make any
Well, tell her the juice them what you drink will chang up your body. Tell her.
Me blend right banana, peanut, oats, Guinness, Suffragan, and drink. Me cook green banana, me blend it up with the Guinness and me Suffragan and me drink.
My God.
Me blend me soursop because right now me watch soursop tree, me see too nice soursop on the tree and get full up. Me blend up me soursop and me drink. Me blend up me cashew and me drink me cashew juice. Me blend up me guava, mango, apple, any little thing me can get. Carrot, beetroot, and them something them me drink. I just chew my body a little bit.
Yeah.
And just chew me straight like pork.
Yeah.
Right, so I have to feed up my little maga body.
Oh my God.
Me not use coconut powder and cook. I strictly coconut me use and cook.
See it there.
So, and me know how to cook. Me tell you, me a chef, but me can't help myself.
But hold on there. But from what you hear how she posts, you think that she's a good cook? Nakita, you think she's a good cook? Or she bad
Everybody can cook, but cook what?
But cook what? Okay.
Yeah. Everybody can cook. All the baby can cook. But cook what?
But cook what? So
exactly. Me know we have for fingernail and me know we have for eyelash.
Okay.
Because me have to ox coconut and wash it off and cut it up and shred it.
Hold on. Shred it? What is that?
You use the shredding grater. Raga Jamaica, you come from, you don't know shredding grater.
But I shred it. You said shred. You said grater. What you talking about shred it? You know, just grater.
You shred it on the grater. Me shred it on the grater. Then me throw it in the blender and blend it out.
Me know about, me never...
Shred it fine. Me shred it up fine.
Right.
And me shred it up fine and me throw it in the blender and blend it out.
And blend it out. All right then, cool.
Right.
And she probably don't even know all of them. There's something, you know. She probably buy things, you know. In a tin and powder. Yeah.
Yeah, me not use them something there.
So she can't chat to you then if she
How she will chat to me? Me know if you peel green banana.
Yeah, she probably don't even know if it, probably don't even know if it, like, you know, cut the banana in the vein and thing and peel off the skin neat.
Thank you very much. When she put the banana in the pot, the skin good leaf on it. Me know if you peel yam.
Yeah.
Me know if you peel food and wash food and put in a pot, me slave. Me know if you need flour. My fingernail and clean. Me know we have fast fingernail. Me know we have fan for my eye.
You know we are fan for your eye. That's the big eyelash them where them have done. Yes, right, that's a fan pan in here, you know.
Right, I know for roast breadfruit.
And you know for roast breadfruit?
Yeah, I know for catch my wood fire and roast breadfruit.
Well, before you go, there's two different kind of breadfruit at Jamaica. What them name again? What the two different?
White heart and yellow heart.
White heart and yellow heart. All right. Which one are roast breadfruit?
The two of them can roast, no, but the white heart is well full.
No, hold on. When me and my mother and them talk, them say, hold on, but just want to help me with something because I don't remember the difference and thing, and I did try to explain to somebody one long time ago. But my mother would say, no, I have a roast breadfruit and thing, or she would say, no, I have a boiled breadfruit. Or if our friend them come, Sister Mushet, we say, I want boil breadfruit for you. You know, them love say boiling and roast. She would say, I have a boiling breadfruit for you. But to me, them look the same, but there was something going on between them when them know roast and breadfruit different from boiling. What is it? What is it? What is it?
You know, say, listen.
Yeah.
Yes, the yellow heart breadfruit.
Yeah.
From it half full, it can roast. It's easy to roast the yellow heart breadfruit.
From it half full? When it's a full, what do you mean?
You know, well full till you see it a drain stain on the tree or it bust on the tree.
Oh.
But you see the white heart breadfruit now?
Yeah.
That has you well full. And if you even pick it up, put it down, you can put it for 2-3 days before you put that on fire. Because it take no fire for roast.
Oh, the white heart take no fire for roast.
Thank you. Because it takes longer to soak inside.
Oh, so the white heart then are the one better for boiling then? If you boil the breadfruit.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. Some people boil it both of them now. But people boil the white heart and the yellow heart.
Okay. And for people who don't understand, when she say full, let me explain. Ripe breadfruit is not a thing. Nobody not use ripe breadfruit in a jar. Like breadfruit not get ripe. So
people use it. People use it make juice too. Enough people.
Well, yeah. My auntie did use it make juice. Aunt Bibsy did use it make juice.
Enough people love the breadfruit when it turn, but I don't love it when it turn.
What you mean? Turn for roast though?
Yeah.
Okay, but not for boil. Not for boil.
Not for boil.
Not for boil.
No. I don't like boiled breadfruit.
So that's why you say full, because breadfruit make breadfruit no ripe really. That's why you say when it's full, right?
Right, but no one days, let me tell you something. With country people, we're them wicked.
What?
You see, them country people, they're wicked.
Yeah.
They're over wicked, you know. They say wicked.
Yeah, yeah.
Then pick up a young breadfruit, the man carry them come at town and sell.
Yeah.
You know breadfruit tree and you know tree. Sometimes you go down at town, the breadfruit then green just like one tree. They're not full, they're not ready.
They're not ready
and
yet.
Because people don't know.
Right.
So then in the sun and the sun make them kind of get saltish like them a turn.
Right.
No, yeah man, the one that can roast man, the time a young breadfruit because them in the sun.
Okay.
And the sun a turn them, so them trick the people them know when they don't have a clue about breadfruit. And tell them say the breadfruit they full and can roast. So when they take a stock, the people they waste their money.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so if
but you know, so them would have catch me because me I tell you God, I don't really know the difference between them something.
Boy, me I tell you God truth, you know, you see, breadfruit are beer now. So if by the time you're ready to come to Jamaica, I could buy 2 breadfruit and show you the difference.
Okay.
I could show you the yellow heart and the white heart, and I could show you the difference.
By the way, I wanted to thank the Indian people in Jamaica, to give them thanks. Thank them. Is them bring breadfruit come to Jamaica?
Yeah.
The people from India, is them bring breadfruit, and them bring ganja, and them, so is them bring breadfruit come to Jamaica. So big them up, all right?
Yes, my love. So,
all right.
I don't know when you come to Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
So if you come to Jamaica before the year done or next year in breadfruit in a season, you can get 2 breadfruit.
No, man. Anytime I come to Jamaica, I have to come check your door, you know.
You're supposed to come in a checkbook, you come check me. You're supposed to come look for me in a checkbook.
Oh, Jesus, God. President, how you manage with that? President, how you manage with that? All right, then I come look for you. Here we come to Jamaica, all right?
Thank you very much, sir.
All right.
President, darling, the time not so cold, the time feel warm and nice. Have a pleasant good night.
Sure. All right, people, going to take a little break. We're soon forward.
All right, me nice, clean.
Watch and when I see this, I represent Bridge 99 FM. Me say we never have to wake this morning, but we day alive there. Look how many sitting in the grave this morning. Bridge FM pass the Bible, a time for we pray.
Yo, dancehall can't start when the money must shut the content.
Right. Introducing the Bridge 99 FM Dancehall Chart Show.
I are the one and they are what?
All about our weekly top 10 music countdown, our Bridge Spotlight featuring artists and music producers, and our chat with the Bridge Jocks and music director.
We bring you in on the action. Just send your videos every week for your favorite artists on the chart in our Fan Affair segment. Do it WhatsApp 876-551-5782.
Jogger! It's new, it's authentic, it's trend-setting, and only on The Bridge 99 FM Dancehall Chart Show, hosted by Shell.
You know the vibes this Friday at 1 p.m. at the wickedest thing since Dancehall. You know the thing go, we're bringing the vibes to the where, to the what, to the world.
This Saturday, May 13th, it's all about Respect You, the celebration of Jimmy Solo's magnificent 80 and remembrance of Don Drummond and Cox and Dodd. I don't know music I got there by Shanghai Solophonic Music, Roy Black, Winston Weepow, Powell of Stone Love, and special guest selectors. So check it out, Saturday, May 13th from 12 p.m. to 2 a.m. 30 Charles Street, right there on the corner of Orange Street. I don't know the Bridge team I got there from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So check out the vibes. It's all about Respect You on the Bridge 99 FM.
Last year, Reggae Sumfest was on fire as a host of top-flight Jamaican artists turned out for an unforgettable musical tribute to iconic dancehall producer and prolific hitmaker Dave Kelly. This year, it will be magnificent as leading Jamaican entertainers across generations will come together to honor one of the most influential figures in modern popular music, producer and sound system operator extraordinaire, Lloyd James, the man we have come to know as King Jammy. Yes, it's tribute to the King. Reggae Sumfest 2023, Catherine Hall, Montego Bay, Jamaica, July 16 to 22. You can't miss this.
King Jammy, play sweeter, stronger, better.
This is Romain Virgo and you're locked into the Bridge 99 FM. Your Caribbean vibes amplified. Easy.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Back in the juggling and thing. We have about 20 minutes to go, people. It's all about Ragashanti live right up on the Bridge 99 FM with yours truly. Miss Cherry Wash Bella, that would be me. Ragashanti and thing. Big up on yourself. And when I hit with the thing right now, you know, Tristan down there in Jamaica, sit on the call. One pop. Oh, yeah, I said cute, too alien, too cute. Rip.
Well, go on, my dear. Good evening to you and your listeners.
Blessings, blessings. Talk to me.
What are we and Nikita brains are click?
Nakita, yeah.
Nakita.
Why you say that? Why you say that?
Choose remember about the black thing.
No, but the black thing was from about 2 years ago, you know. Nakita member, you know. And slap up at and spicy with it cross her face too. When me read it, me I said then I would have bantan here for at and spicy just say me she stop with.
Anyway, me not up on Nikita's side.
What? Nakita. Yeah.
My friend said Nakita.
Yeah.
All foul.
Yeah.
Nakita is not even the young foal. Nakita is the layout foal. Layout.
But why you take her on? Why? You defend your friend?
Because I'm a friend.
Okay.
You're not easy.
Okay.
I take up to my friend as long as my friend not wrong. As long as my friend no walk and trouble people.
Yeah.
Me dead behind her peck.
No, but you say your friend will take 150 or 2 bills to go buy black for your house what she want, for the addition what she want to put on. And that Nakita say.
Yes, but she will take it because when it change out your value a little bit, it value more than up there 150 and no money up there. But when it come out here, something out here.
Something out here. Okay.
Yes, love. So Nikita, you're the layout foul.
Layout foul. My
the
God.
Layout one,
my God.
Yeah. So you lick my friend.
Yeah.
And she not trouble people.
Yeah.
And she not interfere with people. Me there behind her.
Right behind her and thing you defend her.
But if she's a troublemaker, me nah go behind her.
Nah go behind her and thing. So what you think I know? Like the side man them or the side woman them can make Yeah, what you have to say about it?
Alright, Raga. If me know say a man married, right?
Yeah.
Him having good up wife, in nice wife.
Yeah.
And me and him attack.
Yeah.
And me decide to be alright. First of all, me say, you know say no side chick no give on.
Well, that is true.
No side chick no give on. Alright.
Well, and you think it's true for the side man them too?
Me no know.
Okay,
But me know about side chick wanna give born.
Okay.
Alright. Anyway, him having good up wife and me decide to be a side chick and me know say me nah have no man out there. And him a my man, that me tell myself. Him a my man.
Right.
And him a do everything for me and me find out say him have a next woman, not him wife.
Right.
Next woman.
Right.
Me a go upset.
Why?
Raga, my man. Me a take the wife out of the picture. The wife not in it.
What?
Because wife don't live a yard and everything. So me not see my foot she has no practice. Me not even jealous over she.
Okay.
Nothing. You understand?
Right.
Because you done wife and me decide to go in the relationship.
Right.
And me decide to me not cheat on him.
Yeah.
And then something then me a upset, Raga. Big and serious.
And explain why you would have upset.
Because
why?
me love him and him is my man. I mean, not give
But it's not your man. It's the wife, man. That the argument
you
is.
Understand what me I say? Me no business is my man too.
Your man too. So basically, let me ask you now. So if you find out say him have a next side woman and thing or whatever would you say that him a born you? He might cheat on you? If you see
me with the next woman.
But you're the side woman. Him to be the husband and him have him wife and you're the side woman and him have an next side woman and him a cheat on you with the next side woman. How is that cheating on you?
Remember, me not know about the next woman, you know. Me don't know about the wife, so me put the wife one side.
Yeah.
Me no response him and his wife. Me no business with him and his wife. But me I go get involved with the side chick thing. Me I go upset.
Yeah.
And me I go, if me know the side chick number, I go and call her and...
Hold on. Stop right there, sir. Stop right there, sir. Stop right there. We are call the side chick for. That she not... We are going to call the side chick for.
Me I tell her, say, my man, me not go play on a side chick role with she.
No, but what you're saying don't make any sense. If you are a side chick.
Let me man alone.
What?
Joking thing me there for.
What you say you're going to do to call her and tell her, say what?
Leave me man alone. Left me man alone. You hear me? So me I put the wife one side. The wife no another passa, yeah. Now I go call the wife and tell the wife, say, her husband have a next woman or go beat the woman with the wife. Me and the next side chica have it out.
You and the next side chica. So when you say that to her, suppose she respond by saying, hey girl, go from here, so you see a side chick and thing and whatever, you're going like you want to come own up the woman, husband and thing and whatever. How am I that? If the next side chick say that to you and say, humble yourself, me not going to fight against you. You I get where you forget and thing and me I get where me forget. The two of we are side chick. And don't bright yourself both a your man and all. What if she said that to you? What would your response be?
Me I said, take it out the road.
What? What I want to go? What?
Take it out the road.
What that mean?
Oh, the beat her left, right, and center.
Jesus God, are you serious?
Raga, me mean it because it's my Raga member. So me say me not give no bunny, me no have a next man in my life.
Yes, but you're on the side and you can't own him up. You're on the side.
Yes, zero Raga.
So,
me no respond.
But what if the other side woman is being reasonable and she say, hear me, I say, B, I better you clutch and go easy now. You can't call me about a your man. It's not your man. You don't marry to him, right? You don't marry to him. The man have him wife and thing. You up on the side, right? And the man will take care of you and whatever. And I like say you not get what you not forget. You're getting what you're supposed to get. Just be happy with what you are getting now. Me up on the side too. Me over here, so and me I get look at something to and whatever. And I even like say the man I disrespect you. And I even like say the man nah give you what you want. You get what you want forget. Why you want to come fight against me, Miss Lady? Me not do you nothing. The man have the two hour on the side. Me not have a problem with you over this one thing. Why you can't just sit down and allow me over here, so?
Well, me I go make sure tell her say any day me book car is a different story.
What? But what me I say, but she I'm not the man have the two hour on the side. What you gonna war her for?
I don't care, Raga, me says my man. A female man.
No, it's not your man, it's the wife, man. You are just a supplement, you help out, you helper. And she a helper too. The two are a helper.
Yes, he is my man. You hear me? So me no business with the wife and me not go disrespect her.
No, me hear that. Me hear that, but what?
Go call him phone and bada him. Him is my man.
No, but what me I say is now, why would you want to beat the woman if the woman not do you nothing? She not do you nothing. No, the man have the two on upon the side. Why you want to beat her for?
Because me not have no man and him and my man and nobody not supposed to take my man.
So why you would all right, suppose you go to him then and him say, you go to him and you say, oh, you have to do that. I think, you're my man, you know, I'm not born you or nothing, you know, come up on the side, but I'm not born you or nothing, you're my man. I know you have your wife, I stay in my lane, no disrespect and thing, I'll protect you and your wife and thing, but, oh, you're going to take her next woman and thing, you have to let her go in and thing, and then him say to you, hear what I say. You know, so I take care of you and I deal with you right and thing. You don't want no for nothing and thing, and you get your time and all these things and whatever. You don't know my things set and whatever. And I same thing I do for she too. So you for just know, say, what you want, you a get, right? Don't even worry about she and thing, right? And that's my thing there, right? So him tell you, say, him want to maintain that arrangement there. What would your response be to him?
Raga, may I make sure to tell him?
Yeah.
If you're not let him go, she a go let you go.
If you're not let her go, what?
If him not let her go,
Yeah.
because me ask him to let her go in and him a tell me this and that and that.
Yeah.
So me I say, if you not let her go, she a go let you go. Because she a go fed up on me.
She a go fed up on you because, oh, you're going to make she fed up on you. Oh, you're going to make she fed up on you.
Peter.
Jesus, God, Jesus. Listen to me, ETC, Ilian too cute. Are you serious?
All right. Raga, it's my man.
All right. The husband a your man, even though
Yes.
you're up on the side, and you defend
Yes.
your man.
Yes.
And no girl can come take your man from you.
No girl can do it. No third woman in this.
No third party, and if she try to do that, you go pay
the
her.
wife.
Just you and the wife.
Yes.
And if you
Yes.
go get her number and call her and make she know.
Yes. So if the time let me go stay with her then.
All right, they suppose.
What be the case?
So if him come and tell us, you see like how you behave and you don't want to work with the program, I better you go on here. Because she have to enter the picture same way. It's either you stay and work with she, or if you can't do that, leave. What you da do?
Me a left then.
And you left all of the goodness where you get, all of the good where you get and everything.
Me we get a next goodness. Me a leave Raga. If I stop be the case, me a leave and worse in play the card upon the table.
Yeah.
Me a leave. Give
So,
me
but it sounds to me
freedom.
like you say you leave out a principle because you not work with the other side, man.
Me not work with her because it a go get him upset and them something with things what me a go do and them something.
But if you can't work with the wife, why you can't work with the other side, man?
Because she a wife. She a wife, Raga.
And then
respect
suppose the
good
man tell us,
wife.
all right, here we go on. Yeah, I'm a side man, you know, but me and you there. But me and her just do look a bit and thing, and I'm not serious like that and thing. So I make you work with it. Me and you there. You're my side man, but I'm me and you there, right? Me and she not there. But me just, me and her do so every look now and then and thing. You da work with that?
Me not work with you. Raga, she a go get beaten left, right, and center. At least me a walk go down the road and me buck them.
Yeah.
Hey,
Wait, you said them? You said them? Them?
Yeah.
What you mean?
She and the man. She and me man.
If you buck she and your man, you move to them?
Me a move to her.
For beat her?
Yeah.
How about the backside, yeah? So even when him there?
All when him dead because him a disrespect me.
Jeez and peace. But him not disrespect you when him have him wife with you though.
No, because I me decide to play that game there.
Yeah, it was your
Me
choice.
never decide to play no game with the next woman.
Yeah, no third party around here, right?
No.
Can't
no.
come mash up your thing with your man.
Yeah.
With
I'm
your
not
man who
really
married to another woman. Your man.
My man.
Yeah.
My man.
Say it. Your man who married. Say that. Say my man who married to another one. Say it.
My man
Yeah.
who married to an next woman.
But a your man.
My man can be genuine to you. Why you can't genuine to me?
So as far as you're concerned, the wife too, she can say him a fair man too.
She, the wife.
Yeah.
Everybody knows a fair man.
Okay. But a your man too.
My man too.
Okay.
But me not gonna make the wife know that, and the wife not gonna know not for me.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
not gonna bright up myself, but anyhow, me know about no third party. A hell and powder house.
Hell and powder house and
Me
whoppings
not
and
foolish.
whoppings and slappings. Did you just Did you just say you're not in the foolishness?
Me not in the foolishness.
Yo, ETC are the best. My God.
Nice with him, Mass Raga.
Yeah. And if him a go on like him want come get bright up with her to whopping spanner. So then suppose you see him and then you move to her and go say and call her and grab her in her ear and then him come and defend her. What you do?
What me fi do, man? He just done this so.
Oh, cause you not gonna try to whop him to her nothing.
No, man.
No. You're not whap your man. You're not whap your man.
No, me no man beater.
You're no man beater. Right.
And from he moved to me, right in front her,
Yeah.
done this so.
It done this so.
That means a working and no respect to me.
Oh.
Because he said, I'm pull me away.
Yeah.
I said, be humble no man.
Yeah.
And then from him, I go move to me.
I move to your wall like him want to do you something for you. I done right there, so done.
So no eat.
Then no eat. All right, Elliot, big up yourself, you know, love and blessings, you know. Yeah, man.
Take care.
All right, sweetie, cool. No Saturday how the show at tonight. Big up on yourself, you know, people. You don't know, so next week, Wednesday again, man, they back on the base right here, so I juggle same way, you know, proper. Next week, Wednesday, the 17th, you know, my second son birthday, and KJ birthday next year, next week in a Prezi. Next week, Wednesday, at the 17th. And I saw it go today at the 10th, though. Yeah, man, my son birthday and thing and whatever, you know. Yo, Prezi, I know you have it too with your youth, them. A beer game, them say, you know. Minecraft and them play Roblox, your youth them play Roblox. Ain't Prezi? Your youth them play Roblox. I be of them, so I have to get him something, one of them game there, sitting or whatever. The same thing there, you know. And things, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited about surprising him for his birthday and all these things, you know. People take care of themselves and everything is everything, you know. It was so much fun tonight, right? The nice little flavor and the vibes that we like and thing and whatever. Woolly laughs and entertainment and joy and thing, right? So when I don't know, man, juggle back into the place next week right here. 9 o'clock Jamaica time. Again, 9 o'clock Jamaica time. And again, people, don't be confused. For those of you up here on the East Coast in the United States, that is 10 o'clock our time, right? 10 p.m. our time. But people down there in Jamaica listening to Bridge 99 FM, be reminded it's 9 p.m. every Wednesday night. Yours truly, Ragashanti, is right here. You know, look at Mixup entertainment, a little joy. Sometimes we touch up on some serious thing and whatever, and so forth and thing like bring back UC and money. All I want to involved in it. Who are the boss of people that are accountable so UC can get back in money and thing. But you don't know, we used to laugh over here and entertainment and thing. I want to big up all of the people them over here and thing and whatever upon social media. Nakita, Prem Clark, Cheryl Bless and the whole works. Chicken back, of course. I see you. And thing, the whole on the Prem and yeah. John, big up yourself and thing. 100 odd people over there and thing. Big up on yourself, you know, the whole crew, everybody who did that listen online and sitting and thing. All right, let me see if anybody else does it. People do remember this Friday afternoon at 2 p.m. Over on YouTube, the Ragashanti TV channel. It's all about Free Up, the realest Jamaican talk show again. Free Up with yours truly, me, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti, the king of Mixup, CMW, all right? This Friday afternoon over on YouTube on the channel. Where's the channel name? Ragashanti TV. I'm not going to change the name of that channel. You're going to have a different name soon, so don't be surprised if you don't go over the channel one day and see one different name, all right? But it named Ragashanti TV. Now, this Friday, 2 p.m., yours truly, Ragashanti again, Free Up and thing. Take care of yourself, people. Take care of you and yours. Be good. Watching the head back. You think kind of mucky out the road and all these things. No. And again, sooner this Friday afternoon. And for those of you listening to Bridge 99 FM, do remember next week, Wednesday, right here, 9 p.m. in Jamaica and thing. Until then, out the road!
Wow, wow! Yo, this is Baby Shaman locked in on the bridge. Can you hear me?